And in this video, you are going to learn how to build a responsive website like this. Look at this website. Wow, this is cool. This is nice. Look at this nice website. Wow. And we built this using AI with just a single prompt, and we are able to get this. Wow, this is cool. This is nice. And guess what? It is absolutely free. Yes, we built this website for free. Look at that. Wow, guys, this is cool. This is nice. And then view all courses on YouTube. Now let's see if this website is even responsive. Let's click this view all courses on YouTube and see what's going to happen. Okay, go ahead and click it, and then boom. Wow, guys, this is cool. We actually landed on our YouTube channel, meaning the website is actually responsive. This is cool. This is nice. Okay, look at this hamburger icon. Let's click it and see. Okay, let's click home and see what's going to happen. Wow. And then it takes us to our home. Okay, fine, good. Now let's click courses and see. Wow, and this is our courses. Wow, this is cool. Okay, now let's click services and see. Oh my goodness, this is cool. Okay, now let's click contact and see. Wow, and then it takes us to the contact. See how responsive this website is, and we are still building it. We are still building it up. This website is just too cool, too nice. Okay, look at this email. Let's click this email and see what we are going to get. And then boom, wow, this is cool. This is nice. The email actually bring us here, meaning our contact is responsive. This is cool. This is nice. And you don't even need any skill in programming before you be able to build this type of responsive website. And this is what you are about to learn from this video. Gone are those days when you need to be a developer before you be able to build a website, or you need to pay a huge amount of money to a developer before you have a website. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you step by step on how to create a responsive website using AI. And guess what? It is absolutely free. And one great thing is that you don't even need to have any skill in programming before you be able to build your website using this AI. All you need is to pay very close attention to this video, and you are going to learn how to build a responsive website using AI. You know, I don't like too much talk. Without further ado, let's jump right into this video. All right, guys. So for you to do this, you just have to head over to your Chrome. We are going to be making use of AI tool called Lovable. All right. So go ahead and search Lovable. Lovable AI. All right, this particular website. Okay, go ahead and click it. All right, so this is how the interface looks like. It's just like normal ChatGPT that you do use. Okay, so these are the interface look like. I always advise you to always put it on desktop mode. All right, desktop mode. The reason is that so that you'll be able to see all the future. Okay, so that you'll be able to see everything. As you can see, you see that when you are using the desktop mode, you have access to something. If you look very well, you are going to see community. Now, this community is work done by other people. Okay, the result that other people have achieved, and you can actually cite, like, look for a template. It's just like when you go to Canva and then you search for a particular website template. All right, so it's a template. You can, if you want to create exactly this type of website that you see here, or this website, you can go ahead and choose anyone and then you clone the website. All right, so there are a whole lot of websites here that you can copy from, you can clone for. Okay, so that is it. You can't see this on mobile mode, so I always advise you to always put it on desktop mode. And if you look up, you also see pricing, expertise, learn, and so on and so forth. So as a new beginner, the first thing that you have to do before you start making use of this website is to go ahead and create an account. All right, go ahead and click get started. Okay, so if you click it, they are going to ask you to sign in. You can either sign in, continue. You can either continue with your Google account or your GitHub. All right, you know what is GitHub, right? Yes. Some of you will know it, and also you can use email. All right. For the purpose of this video, we are going to be signing up with our Google account. All right, so that it will be fast. All right, so they are going to be asking you some few questions. Okay, where did you hear about us? Okay, on YouTube. All right, and then what will you use Lovable for? Personal, for my company, personal project. Okay, what describe your best finder, educator, designer, content creator? Okay, let me say content creator. What are you building with Lovable? Photos, yeah, e-commerce, internet, blah 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 blah. You know, go ahead and select as you can. You can invite collaborator for free. Okay, no, I'm not going to do that for now. Let me just finish up. I'm not inviting anyone, so let me just finish up. All right. We now have access to Lovable. I just finished signing up the account right now. Okay, now let's get started. It's getting interesting, right? It's getting interesting. For this particular video, we are going to be building a simple website. So there are three basic methods in which you can use to create your website using this AI. Number one is by using a text, that is text to website, which we are going to be using ChatGPT to structure our prompt. And then number two is by using an image reference. For example, you see a particular website and you like it, you can use the image from that website to create your own website. You don't need to panic. We are going to be walking you through everything. And number three is by using a particular website link. Yes, that is cloning. Maybe you see a particular website and you want to create something related to that type of website, or you want to create maybe the same thing. You can use the link of that website to create your own website. You don't need to panic. At the course of this lesson, we are going to be walking you through all the three methods. So all I need from you is to pay very close attention so you don't miss any part of this video. Okay, so to build your website using the first method, which is prompt to website, we are going to be using ChatGPT to structure our prompts. Okay, so head over to your ChatGPT. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to write everything in detail, how I want the website to look like, okay, how I understand it. I'm going to write it in detail to ChatGPT. All right, so I'm going to tell ChatGPT to help me write a full detail, right? A full detail prompt for, all right, okay, so see what I write. I fast forward it. See what I write. I'm going to be dropping the prompt. You don't need to panic. I say, help me write a full detail prompt for Lovable AI builder that will generate complete website, blah blah blah. Do you understand? So like this. So with this, ChatGPT is going to act as our prompt engineer and optimize our prompt for us, okay, to get a better result. Okay, ChatGPT is not going to change anything, but rather optimize the prompt to get a better result. So if I paste this my own prompt, ChatGPT is going to ask me some question, how I want the website to look like. Okay, so you just have to go ahead and hit okay. All right guys, so after I put my own prompt, ChatGPT give me this question. ChatGPT asked me some question. Look at this question. Okay, now this is my own information that I put. Okay, I make sure I describe everything in detail. Okay, like this example, I'm going to paste this particular one also. If you look very well, I put all my detail. I can like take a look at my own prompt very well. Collect email, full name, then button on that phone that is registered. The email is this and the number is blah blah blah. Address is Lekki, Nigeria. I want our YouTube channel, Facebook and Instagram should be there with the icon. The name of the YouTube channel is Big Jonah, which is same on Facebook and Big Jonah on Instagram. Ask me any other information before starting, because I ask ChatGPT before it start anything, should in case I'm missing out anything. So ChatGPT should let me know first. So after I put it, ChatGPT say, okay, perfect, John, thanks for sharing all the details. So it now asked me before it start. So ChatGPT asked me this question: home hero section, first section, do you want the text to read something like Jonah Academy and then color theme, blah 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 blah? Do you understand? And then page to include beside the home page, do you want separate page for course services? He asked me some questions, a lot of questions like this. And then ChatGPT now asked me again, do you have a logo for Jonah Academy or should I help you design one? But I have a logo, right? So what I did was that after he asked me those questions, you see it back, social media links, it said, should clicking the YouTube, Facebook, Instagram icon open your page directly, and then logo, and then see what I asked ChatGPT. ChatGPT now say, once I know this, I will drive the exact section plus wording for your site so you can copy paste easily into Lovable and launch quickly. Then I now take ChatGPT and I upload my own logo. Okay, as you can see, this is my own logo. I uploaded it, and then I tell ChatGPT include all the pages you listed. You know, ChatGPT listed some pages. Look at it. These pages, okay, ChatGPT listed it that should include these pages called services design. I say include all the pages you listed. Also have a course page. Clicking the link. Okay, now I answer everything that ChatGPT asked me. All right, I answer everything. I say to include it. clicking the link that asked me, this social media link, I say yes, I answer the question. Also have a course page, clicking the link to take them to my YouTube channel directly with Facebook and Instagram. This is my logo uploaded, use the color. All right, so that is why the color that you can see on the website is like this. I tell ChatGPT to use the same color of my logo. That is what I want to use. So after I give ChatGPT all this detail, and then boom, ChatGPT now help me to structure the website like this. As you can see, look at the website. Okay, so after all the detail that we give to ChatGPT now help me to structure the website like this. Look at it. Look at it. So this is the prompt that I used to generate that website. All right, so this is just the prompt. Okay, so all I need to do now we have gotten our prompt. Look at the prompt. It's a well structured prompt. All right, you don't need to worry. I'm going to paste the prompt. All right, you see, but if you look very well, everything is complete. It is well detailed. Okay, but there are some things that we still need to do. Okay, we need to still edit this on Lovable, on the site where we want to generate our website. Now all I need from you is to pay very close attention, because if you carry this thing directly, head over to Lovable, you are not going to get the result. Yes, there are some things that I still have to do. All right, so now let me take you. Now let's copy this website. Let's copy this and then head over to Lovable and create our website. Okay, and I'll come over here. I'll come over here to my notepad. I want to remove some things. All this one shouldn't be here, right? You shouldn't paste like this one. That is complete website copy for Jonab Academy structure, clean and professional. Yeah, all this one shouldn't be here. Lovable don't know all this. Okay, this is just ChatGPT adding some things. All right, so I'm not going to include this, so I have to remove it. Okay, I have to remove it. Okay, I need to remove this part. All right, and now we have a well structured prompt for our website. Okay, all you need now is to pay very close attention how I'm going to be integrating this, how I'm going to be doing it. Okay, all right, so now I have the prompt to generate the first phase of the website, so I just have to copy this one. So this is just the first frame of the website. Okay, and I just have to go ahead and head over to Lovable. All we need to do is to come over to Lovable here again. Okay, and then you just have to go ahead and paste our prompt. All right, go ahead and paste your prompt, the prompt that you got from ChatGPT. Okay, paste it here and then go ahead and hit generate. After you paste it, just go ahead and hit generate. Now let's watch and see. Okay, our website is being generated. If you look down very well, okay, you see and say Lovable workspace. Okay, look at it. The one under this particular one, the website is being generated. Okay, now let's watch and see the magic from Lovable. Let's see how the website is going to look like. All right, see, it's still analyzing. All right, it's still analyzing. All right. Okay, now let's watch and see. Okay, all right, so our website has been developed successfully. Okay, now look at the prompt. Look at the website. Okay, you see, but look. All right, so now let's preview this website and see what Lovable got for us. Okay, put it on mobile mode so that you can understand it very well. Okay, here we are on the mobile mode. If you look very well, you are going to see preview. If you build your website, you are going to see preview. That is for you to preview the website before it go publish. Go ahead and click the preview. Okay, and here we are on the website. This is the website now. Okay, this is the website. As you can see, wow, guys, this is very, very cool. This is very nice. This website is just too cool, man. Guy, look at that. Look at the website, Jonab Academy. This is what I want perfectly, and I got it. If you see very well, say Jonab Academy, learn AI, technology, and creative skill for the future, and then powered by Jonab Company. Wow, this is cool. This is nice. This is what we want, and we got it right. Who are we? At Jonab Academy, our mission is to shape the future by teaching people the skills needed in today's digital world. We focus on artificial intelligence, web design, graphic design, video editing, and blah blah blah. Oh my god, guys, this is cool. This is nice. Look at the mission: shape the future by teaching essential digital skills for the modern world. Wow, look at our community, built for beginner, professional, and business, ready to drive our vision. Oh my god, guys, this is cool, this is nice. You see, but look at the services. Okay, our core services: web design, graphic design, video editing, digital marketing, and online academy. And if you look very well, start learning today. Look at that. Okay, AI, machine learning. Oh my goodness, this is what you are going to learn: web development, digital design. Oh my god, this is cool, this is nice. Look at the website, bar. You see our email, our phone number, our address, our physical address, and then send a DM. Oh my goodness, this is cool, this is nice. You can actually send us a DM. So this website is absolutely, like, the website is cool, it's nice. The website is perfect. Okay, look at this quick links. Okay, all this home, about, course, and everything. We are going to still work on it to make it more responsive. Okay, now let me tell you something. This is just like you building a website using HTML and CSS. Now, if you don't understand what HTML and CSS mean, this is just the front end. Okay, if you are into coding, if you understand very well, this is just the front end. Okay, we still have to go and build the back end of the website. All right, this is just the front end, the user interface. All right, this is what the user see when they come to your website. Okay, and if you look very well, if you click this hamburger icon, click it, and then you are going to see our home, our about, our courses, service, and contact. Guy, this is cool, this is nice, guy. Okay, we are heading there. Now let me show you some features, some responsive feature we have here. If you look very well, you are going to see view all our courses on YouTube. Wow. Now, okay, now let's click it and see. And then boom, it takes us to our YouTube channel. View all courses on YouTube. You see, but the website is actually responsive. This is cool, this is nice. Now, if you want to direct people from your website to your YouTube channel, and then this is how to run it. Okay, this is cool, this is nice. You don't need to panic. We are going to be teaching you everything on this channel. Okay, all you need is to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any part of this video. All right, if you click here, if you click the hamburger icon and you click home, it will take you to the home of the website. And if you click courses, it will take you to our courses, right? You see, you see web design, online academy, everything. Okay, and also if you click services, it will take you to our core services. Okay, actually, this is just for the purpose of this video, just like example. So I just treat everything is just revolving around everything. As time goes on, we are going to be working more on it. I just want us to create something so that will teach you how responsive the website, how to build the website. Okay, that's why our course, our services, and everything is still like revolving around the same thing. Okay, we are going to still work on that. At the course of this tutorial, we are going to be teaching you how to link your form so that whenever someone signs in, how to collect data. Like, for example, now full name, email, and then message. Like, if someone input this email and everything, or someone register, how do you get the person email or the message? Yeah, that is where the back end comes in, and we are going to be teaching you that also. Like, for example, let me say you are into digital marketing, right? And then you want to be getting people's email for email marketing, right? You want to be collecting email, you can actually do it. We are going to be teaching you how to do that, how to be collecting email, be storing the email. We are going to create a table where you get people email. That is going to be backend. Immediately the person register with his name, everything, you log into the backend, and then you see everything. You are going to receive everything. That one, you are the only one, nobody is seeing that one. Okay, so that is the backend. We are going to be working on that also, so make sure you pay very close attention. Now, what if you want to edit this website? Okay, what if you want to edit the website? How do you do? Maybe this name, like this icon, I don't like it. What if you want to change it? How do you do that? Okay, how do you do that? Now let me show you how to do that. Click this chart. Let's go back to chart. Come back to chart, and then I want to put it on desktop mode again. Okay, you click the edit. If you click the edit, it's going to indicate, right? And then you type it to the AI directly. Tell the AI, okay, now let me say I want to remove this. If you look very well, you are going to see this hand behind that Journal Academy. So now let me say I want to remove it, right? Or you want to remove any other thing. As you click it, you now say search for where that hand was described, okay, on the on the code, on the prompt. Okay, look at it, main heading, journal. You now say, okay, on the main heading, I want to edit the main heading now. I'm going to tell it to remove the icon. That is an icon, right? Remove the icon on the main heading. Remove the hand icon on the main heading. All right, on the main heading, and then go ahead and hit OK. Okay, and then let's watch and see. And now Lovable is thinking. Lovable is going to help us to do it. Now let's watch and see. All right. Okay, and then look, boom. You see, but we got the result, right? You see, but that hand icon is no more there again. You see, the hand icon is no more there again. Look at it. After I ask you, now look, I say remove the hand icon on the main heading, and then boom. You see, but now we have removed that hand icon. All right. Okay, if you want to add anything, you can go ahead and add anything there. Okay, now let's say on each courses, on every of these courses, all these courses, like all these courses, web design, I want to add a button to it. Okay, a button that will stay get started. Now you can come to Lovable and tell Lovable, in each of the courses, add a what start now, get started, no, register now, or let me say buy course now. Okay, let me say buy course now. On each, add a buy course now icon, no, button. It is called button. Buy icon now, button. On each of the courses, add a buy icon now to it, right? To it. Okay, now let's go ahead and hit okay. It's just like ChatGPT. Anything that you want, you can just add it. Just tell it this is what you want, and then straight up Lovable is going to do it for you. All right, now let's watch and see. Now it's still working on it. Let's watch and see. It's still working on it. Okay, on each of the courses, it's still working on that. Okay, that is done. Okay, now let's refresh and see. Let's refresh and see if we are going to get the result. View all courses. You see, but everything now is not there. On each of the courses, there is now a buy course now. Okay, wow, guys, this is cool. This is just cool, right? To add anything or remove anything, this is how to just go about it. You can just tell Lovable, oh, this is what I want, and then Lovable will do it for you. Preview. I want to preview the website. You see, but the changes that we made, you see that hand icon is not there again, and then that buy now, I want to show you where the buy now is. Buy now. All right, you see, but buy course now. Guy, this is cool. And Lovable even help us to add a tag price to it, but I can actually remove this tag price of $149. I can actually remove it, but as you can see, I'm just showing you that, oh, you can actually edit the website. You see, but I just edited the website. Okay, this is our service, right? And this is the courses that we render. You see, but start learning today. This is the courses. Okay, buy now. All right, we never embedded, we never link it to anywhere. So that is why when you click it, it's supposed to processing payment. You see, but digital payment integration will be available soon. Contact us for early access. Wow, guys, this is cool. This is nice. Now pay very close attention. As a new beginner, every day Lovable actually give you 5 attempts. All right, the first one I use it to generate the website. It will give you another one for you to edit it. Like every prompt that you write to Lovable, every chat that you had with Lovable, there's a particular AI credit that is deducted. All right, at least there's 5 attempts. You can like edit your website 5 times. So before you go ahead and edit anything, or before you structure your prompt, make sure you structure it very, very well, because you only have 5 attempts, 5 AI credit. So the process of building it, you can be building it every day if you are using the free version, except you want to go ahead and pay for the pro version. But I always use free version for my student. As my student, all we are doing using AI, we always do it using the free version, okay, so that you be perfect before you start paying for the pro version. But for now, we are using the free version. So Lovable allow me to actually make 5 attempts, make 5 edit every day. But if you know what you are doing, you can write everything down, structure all the prompt, and then you write it once. Like this website, some people can build it for 10 days. Do you understand? But me, because I structure my prompt very well, I was able to build it in 1 day. Okay, in 1 day, I was able to build it. On our next video, we are going to be teaching you how you can actually deploy your website and also how you can make your website functional. For example, let me say someone come here and click get started now. If someone click this get started, the person is going to impute the name. Let me say my name is John, and then let me impute my email, and then I click register now. You see, by registration successfully, welcome to Journal Academy, check your email. Do you understand now? How do I get me that I have the website, me that I own the website? How do I know that someone have registered? I will need to get the person email and everything. It needs to be stored on my database, right? On my database, which we are going to be talking about on our next video. All right, so this is basically how to create a responsive website using AI. Don't worry, I know what you are thinking. We are not done yet. Yes, that is true. We are not done yet. But remember, we are using the free version. So what we are going to do is that we are going to create a particular playlist. And then every day, whenever we make a changes, we are going to be uploading the video every week. Let's say every week, we are going to be creating a video about the website until we complete it, because we need 3 to 2 video before we be able to get a full responsive website. Because if you notice very well, some of the link is not clickable, some of the link is not responsive very well. You don't need to panic. We have about 3 video again that is coming up until we finish this website. Yes, we are going to finish building this website completely. This website is going to be responsive and published very well, just like every other website out there. All I want from you is that if you are new to this channel, subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be notified. We are going to create a particular playlist. Like I said, there's going to be a playlist, and then we'll put all the video about this web design. Yes, so that whenever you watch the first one, you watch the second one and the third one, most probably it will reach like 4 video, and then you are going to be a professional web developer. Yes, using AI, because we are using the free version. So that is the only option that we have. We need to make do with what we have. Yes, we need to make do. You must not pay for the pro version before you do all these things. Yes, so just make sure to stick with us to the very end of this video. Yes, I believe you find this video helpful. So this is part 1 of this video. The part 2 will be dropping this week again, and then the part 3 maybe this week or next week. Do you understand? So that is how we are going to be doing it. We are going to be listing it. This is part 1. We are going to be doing part 2 and part 3 and maybe part 4. Okay, so this particular video is part 1 on how to create a responsive website using AI. And if you want to get more information, I highly recommend you to check the description of this video. You are going to see all our community, all our handle. I highly recommend you to join all of them. And if you want one-on-one mentorship on AI, I highly recommend you to check the description of this video. You are going to see our mentorship program handle, and then go ahead and reach out to us on WhatsApp. Okay,